Hi there, students. Grant. To grant can be a verb or a countable noun. Let's see, as a verb, to give permission or to fulfill a wish. I will grant you permission to use the company car. The genie granted him 3 wishes. So, to give. They granted me permission to speak. So to grant, to give somebody a right, a privilege, a status, a title, a favour, an indulgence. They granted him diplomatic immunity. They granted me an interview. They granted him diplomatic status. Okay, so to give somebody the right or the position or the authority to do something. We can also use to grant, meaning to concede or agree that something is true. I grant what you say is true, but, and normally this, when you grant something in this way, you agree, it's normally followed by a but. I will grant you that the devil has many attractive characteristics, but he's a bad person. And then a grant. A grant is money given by a government, a company, a foundation, a trust, some sort of body, in order to fund a specific project. And a grant does not have to be repaid, but you normally need to show that you are using it for the purposes intended. So, a student grant. This is money given to a student to study at university. The company received a European Union grant to modernise the factory. So it's money given for a specific purpose. So, to grant, to allow, to concede, to permit, to give permission. They were granted extra time to finish the work. To grant or to concede a wish. Her wishes were all granted. To grant, to give somebody a right, a power, a privilege, a status, or even property. But notice this is to formally give them the right, or to formally give them the status. He was granted special status. She was granted special powers. And then again, to grant, to agree or admit that something is true. I grant you that this product works better, but it's very expensive. And then a grant, money given by a body or a group for a specific purpose. A development grant, an endowment, an award, a subvention, a contribution. Notice we also have this phrase to take something for granted. So we can use this in 2 different ways. To assume that it is true. He took for granted that all taxes were included in the price. You can take it as granted that meals are included. But we can also use this to take someone or something for granted, meaning not to appreciate it properly, because you are very familiar with it. There is an over-familiarity, and you don't appreciate its value. My company is always taking me for granted. They don't appreciate the added value that I give. So next question, formality. So to grant, to give permission, to allow. I think I'd give this a 6.5 or a 7 in formality. It's probably a fairly formal word. Yeah? Maybe to grant a wish a little bit less formal, maybe a 6. And then the word a grant, the money, I'd probably give this 5.5 to 6. You can use a grant in an informal conversation because it's a technical word to describe what something is. Whereas to grant as a verb, I granted him permission, this sounds much more formal. However, I will grant you that this is true, maybe a little less formal. I'm probably confusing you there. And next question, what about the origin? Well, in Old French you had a word granter, meaning to promise, to assure, to guarantee. And that originally comes from the Latin word credere, to believe or to trust. So, to grant, to give permission, to fulfill a wish, to give a status or to give a right, to concede or agree that something is true, and then money given for a specific purpose. There we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Grant.